Finally, guys, we are down to the fifth tool, and the fifth tool is going to be how you are going to be getting more views. And guys, I'm not an expert in this field, I don't know how to get more views, but I'm going to be showing you a video that properly explains how you're going to be getting more views. It's a video from an expert, so guys, watch this.
Now, how do you actually get views on YouTube and how do you actually grow quickly? Well, I have 3 different tips that I want to give you. First of all, I want you to be as consistent as possible, especially in the beginning. So you want to try out and post as many videos as you possibly can so you can collect some data in the beginning. You can see what is working, what type of videos are performing well. If you're creating the content yourself, especially be consistent, be as consistent as possible, because that way you will just improve your skill, because maybe this is something new. Maybe you've never done a video editing before, maybe you never created the voiceover yourself. So the more content you can create in the beginning, the better it's gonna be for you, because you will improve your skill, you will get more data, and plus you will also trigger the algorithm and you will prove to YouTube that you are actually not kidding with them, you're not joking around, you are being consistent, and this is something that you seriously want to commit to. The second tip is to focus on the 3 most important metrics that we talked about previously: the CTR or click-through rate, focus on the watch time, and focus on engagement. So try to keep people longer on your videos. Try to make people engage with your videos. Ask for likes, subscriptions, ask them to share, to leave comments, and much more. Try to incentivize them to engage with your videos even naturally. And lastly, replicate what is working. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, but you can focus on something that is already working in your niche and for a particular topic that you want your channel to be about.